Hello! I'm really excited to be able to let you know that the Gallaudet University Immersion program is back. Gallaudet University is located in Washington, D.C. in America. Gallaudet University have partnered with Deaf Connect to be able to deliver this immersive program. This program is an amazing opportunity to embrace and incorporate a variety of experiences, then share this with the Australian deaf community and collaborate with Deaf Connect. This year, we've decided that we'll go ahead and deliver a specific stream focusing on deaf studies. In October and November 2025, this year, there will be a 3-week course focusing on deaf studies and a variety of other topics such as culture, history, community, and sign language, just to name a few. There'll also be a variety of presenters that include Gallaudet staff and external guest presenters. There'll be workshops provided in the morning and optional activities in the afternoon to go on field trips and explore, which is exciting. During this 3-week course, there are also other events occurring, such as homecoming and Gallaudet University and Washington, D.C. specific events that you're welcome to join as you please. Such an absolutely amazing experience of which we are able to partner with Gallaudet University on again. We are encouraging people to apply through an expression of interest process. Applications are open now until the 31st of August 2025. If you are passionate and excited about deaf studies, then we encourage you to apply. Or if you know of someone who is, please share it with them. We're looking forward to receiving your applications and supporting a group of people to learn and have this amazing experience. Thank you.